It's a wonderful day here in Palmer Springs, even though that's not where you're living. I just made that place up. The foliage is all yellow. That's a zombie.
I'm guessing it's a no on the pancakes?
Wait, I didn't start it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. This is just something different.
What the hell?
Hi, we're back on the trail with a bunch of leaves that are flying. Look at that beautiful, majestic waterfall. Look at, and it's free. It's below zero out, and these little fishies are dead. Do you see the little fishies? Ew! You're supposed to spit the ecosystem, Troy.
Sorry. I killed fishies. Alright, so now me and Troy are
No, yeah, but you gotta get me coming up as a zombie.
Troy, remember this? Troy, remember?
I need
Put the
blood.
goddamn film!
I need blood.
We'll get you
Just
some
on my
blood.
face, just on my face. Hey guys, I can do hope it real good. Watch this. Yeah.
It's spinning, it's spinning!
Whirlpool!
Yo, guys, go.
Check out our beast.
Can't catch me! Can't catch me! Can't catch me! He's catching me! Oh no! Oh no!
Treat this with respect.
You just want to